I'm gonna get you all in.
Squeeze tight.
Not really.
Like we like each other.
Hey, did you guys enjoy yourself this weekend?
We did, yeah.
We had
The hotel was great. The food was amazing all 3 days.
Why am I busting balls about the hands on the shirt? That is a way to draw. But if you always practice that way, you are practicing for the very best case scenario of a fast draw, right? I want you to become aware of what's happening as you're pressing the gun. Does it come to the left? Does it come to the right? Does it come really high? And then when you drive the gun back down, is the front sight dipping? And then you have to force it back up. Do you understand what I'm saying? I would just suggest to train from some different hand positions. You know, come from here, you know, maybe fire. Go 2-2.
It was a real fun time to train with like-minded couples and people that have the same goals for home protection, for self-protection, and do you have anything you want to add to that?
We appreciated the balance between practicing our skills, but also being able to joke around and not have things so serious like a lot of other classes we've taken. So we don't get all like caught up in our head, or me, really.
Did I do this to you already?
No, you didn't.
What have you done? You figured out where the sights need to be, and you've removed all extraneous movement except whatever happens after that wall, yes?
Yes.
So do it again. And grip issues? Okay. Okay.
Take it away. Oh.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw once.
Yeah, I definitely recommend it to friends. No, I didn't feel unsafe at any time. Mickey and the other people here that helped with the training did a real good job of managing the lines and watching to make sure everybody was safe and that we were doing things correctly.
And always asking us if we felt comfortable doing things, if we were ready to do things, making sure that we were okay all the time, and I always felt like I was safe.
We worked him out earlier. I had a really good artist, somebody that's got a lot of skills, created him. So he's real. Where'd it hit?
It's like center, like low right.
Center, low right. Center, low right. It's gonna hold him, and you hit him in the eyes. Just a one. Doesn't not hold down and hose fest. Just one. Okay? No. No, from right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
It goes that far.
Do you want to go like this to a person that you're trying to get away from you? Yeah.
All right.
Just give me a.
You know, we were real hesitant on it at first. I mean, we're pretty new to the whole shooting thing. We both decided to do it a couple months ago, and we realized we love it, and we just wanted to get more and learn more knowledge. And you know what? If you're hesitant, like, just go for it.
Just do it.
It's awesome.
Just do it.
Yeah, we don't regret it one bit. It was amazing. You're going to feel more empowered. You're going to feel more self-sufficient. You're going to learn what to do in an emergency, and, you know.
Don't be nervous. That's okay. That's why we're doing it. So it hit in about 4 inches up from the bottom, just a little to the left of center.
Okay, so I was way off.
Way off. So fingers straight. That's why we're doing it. All of the men did the same thing. So it's what we do. That's why we're doing it.
A lot of things to think about as far as medical kits, as far as
Home defense.
And
plans
even when
as a family.
plans as a family, even when you're out in public, as far as you go to the mall and what would happen, what are you going to do if something happens? And it's a great place for us to jump off as a family and get something in place.
Yeah, we've thought about those things before, but we've never really sat down and said, what are we going to do here? What are we going to do there? And
talk about it, but then
yeah,
you go like, all right,
right.
Yeah.
We never make an official plan.
Yeah, exactly.
And so it was good to do that with and be able to bounce ideas off of other people who are concerned about the same thing and have kids and just have houses that they want to keep safe.
Yeah.
I appreciate you guys coming.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
we
we
had
had
a lot of
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I did want to tell you that was something that made it easier for me. Because I said I get up in my head and I get pissed when I don't do well. And
Slowly tie yourself straight back. EFL is I think mag check.
What was that? What'd you say?
I said I really appreciated this class because in the past, and even when we're at the range just doing our thing, I get in my head and I get pissed when I'm not doing well and I'm not performing, and then I just get worse.
Then the wheels fall off.
And then it's just like, and he doesn't know how to help me, and so when we're joking around and we're able to like decompress a little bit and just refocus and
Put your front sight right in the middle of the steel. Make sure that these are aligned correctly. And press straight back smoothly without moving the sights. Good. Do it again. Without moving the sights. Without moving the sights.
We just finished the first ever CarryTrainer couples retreat at Impact Shooting Center here in Cleves, Ohio. It was a ton of fun, great opportunity for us to come shoot together. We've been shooting handguns together for like 2 years, and this was the first time to be able to bring my wife out with me in a way where you're shooting a ton of rounds. How many 50-yard shots did you make today?
Like 8.
Yeah.
Okay, conditions of ready. Why are they important? Or these different ready positions. So the ladies worked on them.
So it was amazing. It was seriously so much fun. What did you learn? What was the best thing you learned?
Just how to be comfortable around the gun and how to feel safe and how to feel comfortable as well having it in the home and around our children.
And that's exactly why we came. Thank you so much, Shane and Carly, and especially Mickey. We will be here again next year if you do it again.
The condition of ready is, what's the key word of this? Ready, right? So, ready. I got a fire. I got a fire. I got a fire. I don't really have a sight picture at all. All I'm looking at is I see my gun start to fall level, and I pull the trigger. Takeaways from the range. Let's talk about that real quick. Who did worse than they thought they would? Jaru, my dude. Headshot at 50 yards. Whoa! How many times do you go somewhere? Do you go walk through the airport?
Trying to teach your wife or vice versa is always complicated, so having other couples here definitely helped.
So many people pay zero attention to what's going on, and that's not, you can't pay attention to everything. So the point of having a plan is learning what to pay attention to.
CarryTrainer, one of the best trainers. We had a phenomenal time this weekend. The food, on point. I'm vegan. They accommodated for that. Just the camaraderie that we had with the different couples, the wives and husband, perfect dynamics.
Left and right, you're good. Draw your pistol to a good two-hand compressed ready grip. Fingers straight. So move it so that this arm is straight.
The training was on point. We did a plethora of different things. We shot with pistol, we shot with rifles, we shot with shotguns. It was actually my first time shooting with a shotgun.
Run it hard. That one's soft. Run it!
Yeah! Yeah! And the training, the help and the support made it a seamless transition for me. Definitely would recommend this class to any couple.
Slow. And then we're watching when you get to a dummy round, we don't want to see some massive drop, right? We're not disturbing the sights or the dot. Yes?
Yep.
Okay, just go slow. Go! Saucer! Hamburger! Now why would we move? Why would we move? Go up! Chimney! Chimney! Smoke! Door! Closet! Armoire! Yeah! All right, dude, tac mag there. dummy round mag into your gun. You don't have to have all this stuff, but because of what I do, and I'm on the road constantly, and there's a bunch of people that put their well-being in my hands, I've got all this stuff. And so this is created by some super badass super soldiers.
My name is Donovan Moore. This is my wife.
Donna Moore.
This is the first time we've ever taken a class, well, ever, for shooting. It's something that we've been wanting to do for a while, and we finally went out of our way to come down here to do it. Gotta say, everything about it was awesome. Meeting new people was great. Shooting guns was great. And so much info that you can learn.
Pick the muzzle up level to the ground. See that bolt release? You all know how to use it, the guys that are on the line?
So in reality, what these people are doing is not just playing with dummy rounds, it's learning to see the sights, get good trigger presses, have immediate actions for malfunctions or failures, stay composed in the moment, still get good hits if I didn't already say that, still see where the hits are at, still be cognizant of what's going on around them, and doing all of that safely.
There's just always something more to learn, and in a situation like this where there's other friendly and like-minded people, it is great to try it out. Great to come to one of his classes. He's an excellent teacher, and he will get you to where you want to go and do what you want to do.
These are
Hit it hard, hard, hard. Yeah, again.
Do you want to start?
I don't know.
Okay.
I guess. Go.
So during this couple treat, we had lots of fun. We met lots of new people, learned lots of new scenarios about how to react during different situations. Have to move and handle the gun safer and better. We had lots of fun, and we definitely would love to do this all over again.
These legit questions though, like we think I don't need to train how to walk. Like how many of us when we think of gun training do we think about walking? None of us.
Can't walk in a rain.
Except when you just did that, now you think it is kind of important.
So this is my wife Robin, and the Lewises from Atlanta have just had a great time here. But the entire weekend was spent just bonding together, enjoying great food, a wonderful hotel, and a wonderful facility at Impact Shooting Center. Do you have anything?
Well, so I had never really shot before too much outside of a range, and so coming here, I didn't want to hold everybody up, so I was a little concerned about that. But they started from the basics. They made everybody feel welcome. They weren't judging anyone as far as what your skill level was, and they made sure you felt comfortable and put someone with you, not your husband, which was nice for me. No offense, but.
No.
I just want you to feel some different
A little hot. Now, watch what happens. Try to pull the trigger. Nothing, right? Because it doesn't automatically feed. So go ahead and take your finger off the trigger, cycle it.
So it was just really good. So I think it was a great mix between learning, safety, and fellowship. So we just had a really good time. So
We hope that they'll be doing this as an annual event. I certainly would think we would try to make it for another
yeah, it was
trip.
great.
And in fact, as you're leaving, everyone's trying to get emails and text numbers. That really does add to it.
Yeah.
We really appreciated Impact Shooting Center putting this together for us.
Yeah.
Thank you again, CarryTrainer.
You're gonna squeeze the trigger.
Bam!
Slide that pump towards you and then forward. There you go.
Learn how to come up with emergency plans with your family.
Right.
That's very important. We never thought of anything like that before this class. There's just so much that you can pick up, so much that you can learn. And on top of that, it's great people, great fun. I would highly recommend checking it out.
It is very awesome. Don't wait.
Do it!
Think about what you're doing. You switch clothes? No. Push them!
I thought it was a fantastic weekend for us to work together as a couple, and food for thought in terms of preparedness, because while we're more comfortable on the shooting side, it's the going just a little bit further and thinking about situationally, are you prepared or are you vulnerable? It was fun.
It was definitely fun.
Not all learning is fun, so
Sounds
this was
good.
fun.